I am Adenike Sanusi. I'm from Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. I've been engaging with smallholder farmers across local communities for the implementation of sustainable agricultural practices. And I'm also embarking on this mission of to restore degraded land in a particular community in Oyo State, Nigeria, Ijaye Community and its surrounding villages. And the mission of the project is to bring these people to restore their land, at the same time develop their capacity in green businesses. The community have been known for charcoal production and for felling of trees for this charcoal, cutting felling of trees for arable farming and all of that. But now we want to introduce sustainable practices like agroforestry to them, restoring their land through biosharp production, and also replacing charcoal production with biosharp briquettes production, because we'll be bringing facilitators to come and train them, and support, give them the necessary empowerment that they need through community outreaches. We'll be going through this community with outreaches campaigning and advocating for land restoration, and make sure that they are part of this restoration.